Ndewo. Hello and welcome to Surasusu Igbo, a channel dedicated to helping you learn Igbo language. In today's episode, you will learn how to say
soap, market, meat, letters of the alphabet, money
in Igbo. And at the end of today's learning, you will be presented with a timed quiz to test your vocabulary knowledge. We are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido. Ahịa, ahịa.
market,
Ego, ego.
money,
Ncha, ncha.
soap,
Mkpụrụ edemede, mkpụrụ edemede.
letters of the alphabet,
Anụ, anụ.
meat. Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
The picture vocabulary quiz is a great way to test and improve your knowledge of what you've learned so far in this episode. The picture of the 5 Igbo words you've learned in this episode will be randomly displayed on your screen. You will be given 3 seconds to look at each image that appears on your screen and answer with the correct word. Let's test your knowledge of what you've learned so far in this episode. Anyị bido. Mkpụrụ edemede,
Letters of the alphabet,
ahịa,
market,
anụ,
meat,
ncha,
soap,
ego.
money.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We would like to keep bringing you more content such as this to help you towards your journey of learning Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let us know how you are progressing along your journey of learning Igbo language. If you would like us to notify you when we put out a new video, hit subscribe and turn on your notification button. Daalụ, anyị ga-ahụ gị n'oge na-adịghị anya.